Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink. Website name is hbthemes.com. So this is a website URL, so I can provide the website URL over the description section, so where you guys will access easily. And before this started we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 76, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 40 and the spam score is 8%, so it is quite high. So if it is considerable for you, so you can consider, either you can ignore this video. So now we can start. So before we can research how much traffic this website having. So according to a similar web, this website having around 9.3k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from Vietnam, USA, India, UK, Netherlands, and another country. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the register for free, and there you can add your username and your email address. Click on the, you can verify the robot capture, and after that you can click on the register button. After this, site will send you the confirmation email. So I received this email in my spam folder. This might take a couple of seconds to receiving this email. So you can click on the first email, the first URL, and then you can set your password here. So let me set. Then you can confirm use of the weak password. Then you can acknowledge, verify the captcha. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. Then after, click on the verify button, and after click on the save password. So you can see we have created our profile. Click on login. So you can see we have created the profile. So after, you can click on the setting icon, setting button, and this is your profile. So there no need so there no need to, you guys will update all details like your name, your nickname, or any other thing. You just only upload your company description. So like this is my company description. So let me copy this, and you can insert a hyperlink HTML in this description. So like AI powered video interview platform. So let me hyperlink this. So you can open the next tab, so where you can type HTML hyperlink. HTML hyperlink, you can open the first website, copy this code, and you can paste anywhere. So you can replace this text with your website URL. So this is my website URL. If I can open JobMo, yeah. So you can replace this text with your URL, and you can replace this text your targeted keywords. So I replaced, and after you can copy this code and you can paste in your content. Remove this. Then you can copy this your description. Open the website, and you can paste your description here. After that, after you can remove the password, new password from your this section, and after you can click on the update profile, and you can see the profile is updated. So how you can found your landing page URL. So you can copy this, you can copy the URL from the same page, you can paste in the tab, and you can remove this text from edit, and this is your profile landing page URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is 100% instant approved backlink, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink with your targeted keyword. So Overall, this is the process for the backlinking on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.